Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's me, Rog here, and today I'm going to show you how to cook the most wonderful pork joint. And it's going to be cooked in a slow cooker with cider, because pork and apples or pork and cider really goes together well. Now firstly we wash the pork under running water. Then we can pat this all dry with some kitchen roll. Rub this over with some honey. There we go, nice runny honey. Get that all over. Give this a really good coating of sea salt. And freshly ground black pepper. And we can rub this in, especially that sea salt. That will help to crisp up this pork skin that we've got here. Get our slow cooker, pop in the pork joint, pop it in there, add a can of cider, and we put this around the edge so it doesn't wash all the honey off. Now we can prepare the vegetables. We'll start with some carrots. We'll cut these into chunks along with onions, quite big chunks, and a swede. We'll cut that down, and lastly some celery. This will all add to the flavour and make some lovely sauce or gravy to put over the finished dinner. In with the vegetables, in they go. Then we can put the lid on, turn the cooker on to high, like that, and let that cook away for about 5 hours. Well, that really does taste magnificent. It's not a surprise because I've done a similar thing before. It really is good. Please try it for yourself and don't forget the honey. Thank you for watching this latest video of mine. Please subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already done so, give me a thumbs up, that would be great, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye for now.